In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close the books in QuickBooks Online. Closing your books locks down a period so past transactions don't get changed accidentally, which keeps your reports accurate for month end, quarter end, or year end. Before you start, it's a good idea to make sure your bank accounts are reconciled and your key reports look right, because after you close a period, QuickBooks will warn you if anyone tries to make changes dated on or before that closing date. Open your web browser and head to the QuickBooks Online website. If it's easier, you can search for QuickBooks Online and click the official link. On the homepage, select Sign In, log in with your account, and make sure you're in the correct company file with the right user permissions. Closing the books is typically done by an admin, so confirm you have the access you need. It also helps to know exactly which period you're closing, like the last day of a month or year. Once you're in, look to the top right and click the Settings gear icon. From the menu that appears, choose Account and Settings. This is where all the company level preferences live. In the left-hand navigation, select Advanced. If you see a quick informational prompt about these settings, just click OK to proceed. Within Advanced, find the Accounting section and click Edit. Here's where you'll enable the control that prevents changes to finalized periods. Turn on the option to close the books. When this is on, QuickBooks will protect transactions dated on or before the closing date you set and provide a warning if someone tries to edit them later. This is essential for maintaining consistent financial statements after you've finished your reconciliations and reporting. Now choose your closing date. Pick the last day of the period you want to lock. For example, the final day of the month you just reconciled or the end of your fiscal year. Take a moment to confirm the date is correct and aligns with your reconciliations and any filings you've completed. Setting the wrong date can lead to confusion, so it's worth the extra second to double check. When you're ready, click Save. That's it. The books for that period are now closed. You can revisit these settings later if you truly need to adjust the closing date, but be aware that reopening a period can change historical reports, so coordinate with your accounting team before making changes. As a quick final check, you can run your profit and loss and balance sheet for that closed period to ensure everything looks consistent. With your books closed, you've added an important layer of control and clarity to your financials.